Hi my dear friends, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to share with you a very affordable makeup brush set, and that is this one you can see. So this is a set of 10 makeup brushes and I've taken this from Flipkart recently. And friends, you won't believe I got the set of 10 makeup brushes, as you can see, for only rupees 228. So the price of this makeup brushes set is only rupees 180, and along with that I have to give some 48 rupees as shipping fees. So friends, if any one of you is watching me for the first time, then please consider subscribing to my channel, because I bring such type of videos regularly on my channel. And if you want to enjoy more such videos, then please subscribe to my channel, which is absolutely free. And if you find this video helpful, then please give it a big thumbs up and share. So without wasting in time, let's get started. You can see the packaging. It came in a packaging like this, and all the brushes were individually packed in plastic wrap. So those wraps I have already thrown. So friends, you can see I have not applied any makeup on my face because I wanted to test out this set of makeup brushes in front of you. I wanted to show you a live demo, like how these makeup brushes perform. So friends, you can see these are the set of 10 makeup brushes, and you can see the handle is white in color, and the bristles are really soft. They are not at all harsh. One thing I can tell is, according to the price, these brushes are not bad. They are not very dense, but that's okay. For a beginner, these brushes are really good. You can experiment with these brushes. You can practice your makeup using these brushes, and after that you can go for any good makeup brushes. And also I've washed these makeup brushes one time, and there was no shedding, and the bristles have not come out. These are of really good quality. So these 4 makeup sponges I have bought from Amazon recently, and cost you won't believe, guys. Just I cannot believe, like, I've got these 4 makeup blenders for only rupees 126. So when I saw on Amazon, I immediately grabbed them because I definitely wanted to try them out and see whether they're worth buying or not, because they're so low priced. So I haven't tried them till now, but I can say the quality is really good. These two are same, you can see, and these are really very squishy, very soft. And you can see this one. This is also very soft, and this one. So friends, now I wanted to tell you about the usage of these makeup brushes. You can see this is the first brush. This is a flat top kabuki brush, and this is used to blend foundation on face. Next one is a contour brush, you can see. So this one you can use to apply contour on your face for contouring. So you can contour the hollows of your cheeks, your jawline. So you can see this is second brush. So third brush you can see. So this brush you can use to blend concealer, to apply concealer on your in your under eyes. Also you can use this particular brush to apply powder on your under eyes and on your eyelids, because it will reach the corner of your eyes really well. And next brush you can see. So this is the round shaped brush, you can see, and this one you can use to apply blush, to apply both powder and blush. The last brush is this one, you can see. So this is actually round shaped, but this is little bit slanted, you can see. So definitely you can use this particular brush to apply contour, to contour your face. You can use this to apply bronzer, you can use this, or you can also use this to apply powder on your face. So these are the 5 face brushes, you can see. So next I have these 5 eyeshadow brushes, you can see. This is a fluffy blending brush, and this one you can use to apply transition shade and blend it really well. You can see this is a flat brush and also fluffy at the same time. You can definitely use this particular brush to blend your transition shade, and along with that you can also use this to deposit any eyeshadow on your eyelid and blend it. And next one you can see, this is a dome shaped eyeshadow brush. So you can use this to deposit an eyeshadow in your outer V and blend it at the same time, and also you can use it to blend the lower lash line. It is really helpful for that. Next brush you can see. So this is a slanted brush, you can see, and this one you can definitely use to blend your outer edges. So the last brush you can see. This is also a blending brush, fluffy blending brush, and it has a slanted shape. So friends, now let's start and see how I do makeup using all this. I have already moisturized my face really well. So now I'm proceeding to primer. So I'll be applying this new primer. This is Maleo Photo Finish foundation primer, and this is my recent purchase. Not at all oily, and along with the same time it is giving a very mattifying effect on my face. So this is really good for oily skin. You can see I've applied, and this also gives a little bit of glow, and my face feels so smooth, and it is a little bit tacky, very little bit, so that I think the foundation will sit really well on top of this. So next I'll be applying a foundation. I'm taking this Lakme Invisible Finish foundation and the shade 02. So friends, first I'm going to take this flat kabuki brush and I'm going to blend this, and let's see how this blends. This is not very dense actually like other kabuki brushes, so it will take a little bit of time to blend. It is also giving streaks. So friends, this brush is not at all good for blending foundation. This one you can definitely use to apply any powder on your face. So I'll be using a beauty blender, and I'll be taking this beauty blender which I have shown you. So friends, you can see I have damped this beauty blender in water, and I have soaked out all the water. So you can see it has doubled in size and it has become so big. Now I'll be applying this foundation on my face, one layer, and I'll be blending it with this blender. It is so soft. It's really good in quality, and it is blending really well, and it has not soaked much product, you can see. So I'm going to use this concealer. This is Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand, and I'll be using this around my eyes because I'm having dark circles. Now I'm going to apply this Lakme Rose Powder in the shade Soft Pink. I'm going to use the same flat top kabuki brush to apply this powder on my face, and let's see. Yeah, it's applying powder really well, and it is good for this purpose. So friends, next I'm going to contour my face, and I'm going to use this palette. This is SFR Double Deck eyeshadow palette, and this one I have already reviewed on my channel, so if you want to buy, you can check it out. I'm going to use this contour set. For that I'm going to use this brush, this slanted brush, you can. So this brush is really blending the contouring shade on my face, you can see, and this one can be used for contouring. So I'll be contouring hollows of my cheeks, my jawline. Next I'll be applying a blush, and I'll be taking this same shade that is given in this palette. This brush, you can see this dome shaped round shaped brush, and I'm going to apply this on my face, and this picking product really well, and this is a little bit powdery. I'll be applying a little bit on the tip of my nose. So you can see this is a fluffy blending brush, so I'm going to pick this shade right here, you can see this shade, and I'm going to apply this on my whole eyelid. It is really very good, it is blending the eyeshadow really well. So now I'm going to apply this liner. This is NYB Shakti eyeliner in the shade blue, and this one also I've reviewed, and this product is really very good. My lower lash line, I'm going to apply this Take Quirky Kajal in the shade black. So next I'll be filling my eyebrow, and for that I'm going to use this Hilary Rhoda eyebrow drawing in the shade 03. In this makeup brush set, there is no brush which we can use to fill our eyebrows. So for eyebrows we have to use an angular eyeshadow brush. I'll be using this brush that I have already with me, and I'm going to take this grayish black sort of shade that is given here, this one. I'm going to comb using this spoolie that is given in this brush. So next I'm going to apply a mascara, and this is the game changing product in this makeup look, and you can see that is this one. This is Lakme Iconic Mascara, and this is in the shade blue, you can see. Love to use this particular mascara. It changes the eye look instantly. It gives such a good curling effect, and also you'll be getting a very blue very beautiful blue eyelashes which look really very pretty, and it is not at all dramatic or it doesn't looks bad. I will show you right now. I'll be applying this and you can see the difference. So friends, you can see the difference between this eye and this eye, how this eye looks. It is totally a different kind of look and it looks so different, so unique and so beautiful. So I'll also apply this mascara on my lower lash line. So friends, I've completed my left eye. I'm back. Now I'm going to apply lipstick, and this is by Maybelline. This is Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte in the shade 06 Best Babe, and this is a very beautiful mauvey nudist shade, and I love this shade. So now I'm going to use this makeup fixer. This is by Faces Canada. This is Faces Canada All Time Pro Makeup Fixer, and this is also my recent purchase, my new purchase. I'm going to spray this on my face and I'm going to set my makeup really well. So friends, this is my final completed look. You can see. So friends, you can see this makeup look turned out so good and it looks so beautiful, so flawless. I highly recommend this makeup brushes to you, and also I recommend the makeup blenders that I've shown you. Those are also really very good. I'll give the link of both these products in the description box if you want to buy them. So friends, I hope you like this makeup look and this video is really helpful to you all. So I will be back once again with another amazing video for you all. Till then, bye and take care.